Hi everyone, we are very excited today. We are with Miss Hopkins and in her cabin, Big Bertha 2.0. It has been modernized. She's gonna walk us through, she's gonna show us everywhere and tell us what she likes about her cabin today.
Okay.
Sounds good. How you doing, Miss Hopkins?
I'm doing fine.
Good.
I'm in the kitchen, obviously. I pretty much designed the inside myself. I took the footprint and then made many changes, which they were very gracious about doing for me because a lot of trouble. The kitchen, for example, I wanted the cabinet shorter because I'm not tall, and anything higher than this I couldn't use without a ladder. So I said, don't go all the way up to the ceiling. And then I left room there so I could bring my own, this is an antique pie safe, and it's my pantry.
Oh, beautiful. Awesome. Awesome.
And I get to keep it and have a use for it. And then this is my wine rack, and I keep my coffee under there. I can pull this out if I need get more counter space.
Okay.
So I can pull that in and out.
Awesome. Good idea.
And then I asked for the farmer's sink because I always want one of those.
Oh, that looks, nice size farmer's sink there too.
I like it. The other thing is I do not have an oven. I don't bake, and I have an air fryer. And I can do everything in there that I could in an oven. And so that gives me more drawer space. I have my silverware and my spices in that drawer. And then I have pots and pans in that drawer. And then I have my junk drawer in the bottom. This is part of the stove down here. So
cool.
So that's worked out very nicely. The microwave came with it.
Okay.
And I'm glad it's up there. I didn't know it came with it, and I was thinking, where am I going to put a microwave? Care of that space.
Nice.
And it has a nice fan and a light.
Okay.
And, so I'll take you on through into the bathroom.
Okay.
I have a pocket door here, which
that's convenient.
I really like.
Yeah, that way it's always out of the way.
There's a lot of space. My washer and dryer right there.
Stackable. Okay.
And then I have two closets.
Let's check that out and see what you got here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And everything that I use is in these two closets. Out of season clothes I keep upstairs.
Oh,
so
neat.
Everything I need is here. My shoes, my clothes, my towels.
Perfect.
And when something's dirty, I don't have to haul it anywhere. I just take it off and put it in the washer.
Okay, cool. And you got your nice good size shower here?
4-foot shower.
4-foot shower. Okay, nice.
And then I have a lingerie chest that I brought, which I could keep all my tops and my underwear and socks and everything is in here. So when I get dressed, everything I need is right here.
Perfect.
If it's dirty, I just put it right there. I used to have a 3-story house, and it was getting very dangerous for me to carry laundry up and down.
Right.
Dangerous.
Right.
So.
Yeah, they say falling is one of the main ways people end up in the hospital.
Yeah, and it's plus I'm not strong. This is an antique mirror that I brought.
Beautiful.
Myself.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And that sink looks really cool too.
Yeah, I didn't pick that out. I thought I was going to have to pick out my own sink. It came with it. I probably may have picked something different, but this is okay.
Okay.
And there's plenty of room here too, which is nice. Lots of drawers.
Yeah, I love it.
And,
awesome. Okay, for refrigerator, got all kinds of natural light.
Right.
And this is a cool quilt here.
Yeah,
Tell us about that.
I collect antique quilts.
Okay.
And this house doesn't have enough wall space to display them. And but this one I saved. I still have most of them, but I saved this one for the kitchen because the colors are the blue and yellow that I like. I call my cabin French Country Amish because I love French country furniture and dishes. And
French Country Amish. Okay.
French Country Amish.
I love it.
I have my antique cupboard there with my Quimper dishes. This is the closet under the stairs. There's no light in it. If I had a choice, I would have had a light put in, but I have plenty of room back in there.
I see.
For things, so.
Okay, great.
That works well.
Everything's got a home, it looks like, Miss Hopkins.
Everything has a home.
Everything has a home.
I have room in here for a small table, which is, I don't do big parties anymore at my age, and so this is just perfect.
Okay.
And my French dish collection,
Okay, tell us about your setup. You were telling me earlier about how you had this is a perfect setup for you because this way you don't have to go upstairs when it's time to go to bed.
Yeah, this is my bed. It's It's a sofa bed. It's very easy to pull out. I keep my sheets and pillowcase on it, so I don't have to make the bed. I just fold it up and push it in. It takes less than a minute.
Yep.
And I'm right here. I can wake up in the morning and look out there.
Yep.
And I have my heat source. I have my TV. I've got my stove. Sometimes I turn it on for a couple of hours in the morning if it's cool.
Yeah, beautiful.
But,
now tell me about the windows. You went bigger on your windows.
I designed all the windows. I told them the sizes I wanted.
Mm-hmm.
And it makes all the difference to me.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I like a lot of light.
Yeah, I see you got 3 big ones right here in the living room
I
area.
have the door there, which I'm going to put a screen on it. I can't have a screen on it yet. I've got to do that before I
Yeah,
use it.
turned out beautifully.
But what else can I say? Of course, I've got the arch, the big higher ceiling here.
Yep.
Which makes it more like a living room.
Yeah, it really
I
does.
picked out the fan, all the fans I picked out.
Mm-hmm.
And they ordered what I told them to.
Wonderful. So showing some flexibility there for your tastes.
Right.
Tell us about the chest there. That's really neat looking.
Well, this was made here in Brown County probably in the 1930s.
Okay.
And I bought it from an old man I met when I first moved here in 1981.
Mm-hmm.
And it's handmade, and everyone loves that. It's just
Yeah, I mean, it was as soon as I walked in, it caught my
Very
attention. I
handmade.
thought it was
Right.
beautiful.
Yeah, and so I can keep dishes in there, and that one behind you is French. I don't think it's a full antique, but it's very French, and I collect what's called Quimper or Quimper pottery. I have
Okay.
that in there, and there's a blue and yellow.
Nice. I see you.
So
That's
I
your
have
2
that-
favorite
that
colors.
kind of
You
theme. Yeah, I've got this
French country Amish.
French country Amish.
And I see you're an avid book reader.
Oh yeah, I like to keep some nearby. The ones I refer to, I keep nearby, and I have a lot more upstairs.
Awesome.
But
Awesome. Well, it turned out beautifully, Miss
the
Hopkins.
paintings here are all mine.
These are your paintings. Okay, yes. Miss Hopkins does art, and this is her work. Beautiful. So that one as well?
Yeah, and the other little one.
Wow. Beautiful. Look at
The
this,
stained
guys.
glass piece, I did that too.
Wow.
Southwestern one.
Beautiful.
So,
There's where she got her television.
yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, let's make our way
you go,
upstairs. Yeah, you guys are gonna love this. She's got her art studio up there and her office. You guys are gonna love this.
It's a painting of my pond.
Painting of her pond that she has out front. More of her beautiful artwork.
Yeah, that's one of mine.
Beautiful. So upstairs,
This is
look at
not my art
this.
studio.
She's got a wonderful little art studio up here, guys. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
That's neat.
And I've got these things under here. I can pull the drawers on.
Now, did that light fixture and that fan come with it?
No, I
You
picked those.
you picked those,
They
okay.
installed them for me.
And you said how long have you been doing your art?
Oh, about 25 years.
25 years.
Yeah.
Yes. Beautiful. So this is her art studio. All her beautiful art surrounding her with great views of her backyard there. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, we got another one on the lot. Let's make a quick video. Brand new one on the lot. This is the one I call the Carrot Top Junior. You guys have seen the Carrot Top Senior. This is the Carrot Top Junior. Junior is a 12 by 24 Amish built rustic cabin with a 6 by 24 porch. This one is just $35,000. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Look how cool this one is. You guys are used to seeing the ones where we do the lighter brown color. This one is more of like a blackish brown. They stain it black, but as it soaks into the wood, it kind of fades in a little bit and becomes more like a dark brown. It's got the black roof on it and the black shutters. Super cute. Again, just $35K for this one here. We call the Carrot Top Junior. Okay, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. What y'all think about this color? Isn't that cool? I think that looks super cool. Go on inside and check this out. So when you walk inside, look to the left, open concept. It's like a studio, you know what I'm saying? You got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. And look how open it is. You got your beautiful knotty pine floors. And notice above me, there's a loft, okay? So you can set up the downstairs here as your living room area, right? And put a bed up top to go and sleep on, right? So you maximize the square footage, or you could have it set up where you got a bedroom down here and have a secondary bedroom upstairs if you got a couple of people that need to be, you know, have a spot to sleep. Look at the back of the door, isn't that cool? Got that rustic look, and you got your little kitchenette area over here where you put you a fridge, stove, put you a sink right here. There's your window, got your little cabinet, ready to roll. Isn't that pretty? Again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Carrot Top Junior, 12 by 24, only $35,000. We ship it nationwide. Now let me show you how this ladder works. It's gonna be complicated to do it with me holding the phone, but basically, you see how it's sitting on that little ledge? It comes down off of that ledge like this. I'm doing it with one arm here, see? I'm gonna straighten it up, but I had to do that with one arm because I'm holding the phone. And then it just kind of, let's see here. There we go. And it just locks up like that. And just like that, you got access to go up to your sleeping loft up on the second floor. Okay? So put you a, that looks like it could easily fit. Let me go up there and see what kind of size bed we can fit up there. Oh yeah, we could probably easily put probably a full-size bed fit up there. Put you a full-size bed or a twin or a couple of twins. So pretty cool setup. So again, that's how you access that. And remember too, we could always bring that loft out more. So let's say you wanted this, instead of it stopping right here, you wanted the Amish to bring it out more this way. So maybe you want to get a king size mattress up there, we can do that as well. Remember, these are all made to order. So it ain't no thing but a chicken wing for us to make modifications to make it fit whatever you're trying to get done. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind when you order yours. We can customize it to kind of fit your needs, okay? Built by the Amish, we ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. This one is offered as a 1-bed, 1-bath, or you can buy it as a 2-bed, 1-bath. The one I have here on my lot is set up as a 2-bed, 1-bath. If you buy it just the way it is, it's $69,900 for the shell, or you can buy it fully turnkey, plug and play for $110,000. Again, this one is a 14 by 40, 2-bed, 1-bath, or you can modify it to a 1-bed, 1-bath. Dimension of it has a 6-foot by 40-foot porch, and then the livable space is 14 by 40. So with the porch open, it is 20 foot by 40 foot with the porch open. It's got a black metal roof on it, 26 gauge, and then you got the black shutters to match. And it's starting to get dark right now, or I'd go inside and show you, but I've done many walkthrough videos of this one already, so you can see that on my YouTube page. Just go to Amish Built Cabins on YouTube and we'll pop right up. Type in El Chapo Muchacho 1.0 and you can see all my tours that I've done walking through this cabin. Okay, just a beautiful structure. This is built by the old order Amish, the Yoders, and we ship it nationwide. Okay. Again, don't forget to hit the like, share, and follow button. Give us a ring. My name is OC, aka Cabin Cowboy, and you can reach us at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Again, look at that porch, guys. Huge 6-foot by 40-foot porch. Just a beautiful cabin. Again, this one's ready to ship for $69K. Call us today. Let's make it happen and get you a cabin out on your land. Again, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. You can call me at 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033.